hello. Sit back. How are you? Kamusta?
Ito okay naman. Saya ng party mo.
Yeah, of course, we do this every year for the fans to give thanks to them, of course, for the support. Annual na to since we started, Aldenatics. So, matagal-tagal na rin kami. 3 years na rin yung group. Headed by, of course, Nick Gonzaga. And madami naman. As second T, meron kami sa Cebu. Meron kami Bacolod. We also have Iloilo, ni Jensan, Davao. So, we're starting to be a big family now. And happy lang ako kasi every year I get the chance to do this. Siyempre kahit busy yung schedule, you have to make time for these kinds of people kasi mabait sila and they're always there to support me. So, walang nasasayang na time for them para sa akin.
Ayun. Sige, congrats sa maganda yung reception ng 10,000 hours.
Wow, thank you. Yun, panoorin niyo pa rin, showing pa rin ako cinemas. 10,000 hours, of course. Pakagandang film.
How was it? Naman na pag ilang film fest mo ito, marami ka ng film fest entry.
Actually, since I started, every year naman napapasama sa film fest. But, of course, parang above sa lahat ng mga entries na napabilang ako, this is one of the most parang may deal sa akin. This is one of my biggest film na pinasukan kasi it's very educational in a way, the reality behind those controversies na nakikita natin sa news. So, parang at some point, medyo eye-opener itong 10,000 hours. That's why I'm very proud of this film.
Wala kang eksena ni Robin, pero nakapag-usap na kayo.
Yeah, wala kami scenes together, but I had the chance to talk to him during story conference namin for this film. And yun, very accommodating, mabait madali kausap, madali approach. Very down to earth. So, yun lang, mabait. Sobrang bait ni Kuya Tim.
How's your Christmas time?
Ito,
Maliban dito sa party mo with your fans, napakasaya ng
fans, yeah, super, parang as I do this every year, our bond becomes stronger. Parang we're becoming more of a family rather than a fan-artist relationship.
Kita ko.
So, yeah, I don't see that quiet part na artista ko fans sila. No, they're family now. And then Christmas, of course, spent most of the time with my family. We went to Tagaytay, we heard mass, and then ate sa just a few restaurants dun sa near the church.
Nag-Christmas wish ka pa ba? O nakuha mo ba yun kung meron mo?
Siguro the reason why I'm very contented is I don't expect. So, come what may, kung ano man bigay ni Lord, of course, everything is done according to His will and I don't demand anything or anything to happen. Basta, let it be, Lord. You're the pilot of my life.
New Year. New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution kasi the more you say it, the more na hindi nangyayari. Ako lagi kong New Year's resolution, magpapalaki ng katawan. So, ilang years na yun? 3 years na ako puro ganun ng New Year's resolution. So, ano na lang, relax na lang. So, ganun pa rin. Just do good things every day. That's what matters.
Speaking naman sa projects naman, ano nga abangan ng mga fans mo sa 2014?
Yung 2014 is gonna be Jump Pack, starting off with Carmela. Kung maka-jump pack ako, ang dami. Dadalawa lang no. Yun, of course.
Jump Pack kapag malalaki yung project.
But of course, Jump Pack, yung the one that I'm doing now, it's Carmela. Of course, with the primetime queen, Marian Rivera, and
Can you tell us more about it?
it's a very, not so complex, but siguro yung story for the Filipino viewers. Story of her mom's a prostitute, Carmela, her mom. And parang everyone in the city or in the town parang so mad at her.
Parang Magdalena type.
Some part of it, yes. Then she's just the regular girl, very innocent. She doesn't know that she's beautiful and sexy, but she's gonna use it to take revenge for her mom.
Kaya din yung character mo, paano papasok sa Carmela?
Ako yung what do you call this? Apo ng isa sa mga pinakamayaman dun sa town na yun. So medyo different from my previous roles. This is medyo naughty, rich, chick boy, medyo bad boy ng konti. But of course, always lend a helping hand for those who are in need. And ano pa rin, matulungin sa may hirap.
Is this the first time na makakasama mo si Marian?
Yes. Actually not the first time, but first time to work with her as her
Leading
love,
man.
leading man. Kasi when I started working with Yan, we did My Beloved. Of course, not so much
Tagal na yan.
scenes together. And we did Panday, Civil. Civil lang yung mga characters namin sa ginawa namin projects. But now, it's gonna be more of us. More of our Alden, Marian scenes together. Carmela.
Tingin mo parang magle-level up na yung status mo sa leading man dahil si Marian na yung makakasama.
That's without a question. Sobrang.
Diba?
Sobrang, I mean, sobrang laki ng may tutulong sa akin ng project na to. That's why I'm very thankful sa GMA. Very thankful kay Yan for, of course, I've heard kasi the characters here was handpicked by her.
Congrats.
Kakarinig ko. So thankful talaga ako, of course. Kasi she believes in the nature of the environment. Kapag gusto may mga katrabaho, you're more driven, excited to go to the set, see these people. So thankful ako na ganun pala yung tingin sa akin. She's very comfortable with me. So yan, abangan nyo. It's coming January. Malapit na.
So, yeah. Thank you, Alden.
Thank you.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry
Happy
Christmas
New Year
Tita.
na. Thank you.